What's up guys, Julian TV here, and today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making a Roblox t-shirt. And remember, you're going to be needing Builders Club for this, so let's just go to a new page and search anything you want. I'm just going to search, for example, let's do a smile. I want that. Let's do a smile. Just smile with images, pick whatever you want. I'm just gonna choose this one right here. And once you have this, you're just gonna exit full screen. Go back into full screen. And I'm going to go to avatar. And then once you're in avatar, you're gonna wanna go to clothing and then click t-shirts. And then you're gonna see this little create button and click create. And you'll see these, like, just don't mind any of these. And you're gonna wanna click choose file. And I have the smile face picture, so I'm gonna wanna click the picture that you chose. You're gonna click the picture that you chose, and that's perfect name. Let's name a smile. Let's just put a capital, so like that, yeah. Doesn't matter what you name it. It could be any t-shirt name. This is just a t-shirt name, so you can name it like Foxy, or you can name it like Slinky, Guitar, PS4, Robot, whatever you want. And it doesn't really matter. So what you're gonna want to do from there is click upload, and then it should be in your t-shirts. Now we're not done from here. We have to go into this little gear and click configure. And then once you're here, the picture should pop up here. I don't know why it's not popping up for me right now. And the name is smile. Let's do t-shirt smile and spread cheer. Anyway, you're gonna want to go to sell this item, and you're gonna see it says check the box below and enter a price if you want to sell this item in the Roblox catalog. Uncheck the box to remove the item from the catalog. So you're gonna want to click sell this item, and you can do any price you want. Let's do 10 Robux. And you're not gonna get the exact amount, because the marketplace fee is 3 Robux, and you're gonna earn 7 Robux. Anyway, so once you have your price there, you're gonna want to go to genre, and you're gonna want to pick a genre. And if you want, you can turn on comments if you want people to comment on your work. Yeah, let's do, for this one, let's do, I don't know, RPG. Anyway, I don't even know this would be. And you're gonna want to save. It doesn't matter if you click here or here. You're just gonna want to save it, and you're gonna want to save, and then yeah, your changes to the item have been saved. And yeah, so you earn 7 Robux every time somebody buys it. And let's just say you put 1,000 Robux, you will earn 700 Robux. So let's see if people will actually like buy $700 or $1,000 t-shirt. Let's just hope for good luck that somebody will buy it, then I can get some Robux. And yeah, it's a pretty easy way to get Robux easily. And I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and comment down below if you want me to do some more videos on Roblox, tutorials, or whatever you want me to do. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.